Once upon a time, in a land where the kingdom of Persia flourished with power and splendor, there was a king who ruled the lands and islands surrounding it. He was known for his just governance and was beloved by all his subjects. This king had two sons, the elder named Shahriyar and the younger named Shah Zaman. Following their father's demise, both princes took charge of their realms, living peacefully and wisely. One day, Shahriyar invited his brother Shah Zaman to visit him. Shah Zaman entrusted his kingdom temporarily to his trusted prime minister and set out on a journey to see his brother. As the night descended, a critical matter forced him to return home unexpectedly. Quietly, accompanied by two of his loyal servants, he slipped back into his palace under the veil of night only to witness an appalling sight. To his utter shock, he found his queen in the embrace of a lowly servant, asleep and unaware of his presence. His sense of honor and dignity was so profound that he didn't even pause for a moment. In a blind rage, he unsheathed his sword and swiftly ended their lives for betrayal and deceit. After avenging his honor, he silently resumed his journey to meet his brother.